Here are quick and easy ways to remove dark spots and whiten skin at home using DIY methods. 1. Aloe vera. Apply aloe vera juice or natural aloe vera gel directly to the dark spots for 30 minutes in the morning and evening. Rinse with lukewarm water and finish off with your favorite serum and moisturizer. 2. Horseradish. Apply horseradish paste on the skin for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and finish off with your favorite serum and moisturizer. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week. If you want a more aggressive remedy, combine 1 piece of grated horseradish 4 to 5 inches long and 1/2 a cup of apple cider vinegar in a glass jar. Mix well and leave for 2 weeks, shaking the mixture once a day. After 2 weeks, apply to your dark spots 3 times a day for 1 month. Place in the refrigerator. 3. Lemon. Cut a slice of lemon and gently apply on the affected area for 10 minutes, morning and evening. If you have sensitive skin, combine 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of water or rose water in a glass bowl. Dip your cotton pad and apply it to the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water and finish off with your favorite serum and moisturizer. You'll see a difference in lightness within 2 months. 4. Papaya. Peel and remove the seeds from green papaya. Next, use a blender or food processor until it forms into a paste. Leave on your face and neck for 20 to 30 minutes in the morning and before going to bed. Rinse with lukewarm water and finish off with your favorite serum and moisturizer. 5. Turmeric. Combine 2 tablespoon rice water, 2 tablespoon flour, and 1 teaspoon turmeric in a glass bowl. Mix well. Dip Q-tip cotton buds on the bowl and dab onto dark spots. Leave on for 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and finish off with your favorite serum and moisturizer. It is important that you take extra care with these DIY homemade beauty remedies. Make sure to limit sun exposure while using these natural remedies. Apply a small amount to your face and leave it on for a short amount of time, then work your way up to larger amounts and longer times until your skin can handle it. If you feel any discomfort, stinging, or a burning sensation, rinse off the mixture immediately with lukewarm water. If you like our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative beauty-related videos, regularly. Thanks for watching The Health Room.